Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today's video is just going to be a quick one, just to give you guys an update on the last video I uploaded, or sorry, the one I uploaded 2 days ago regarding the VW ID3's connection problems. So since that video was put up, I've actually done a couple of researches, and I found out that the problem is not an isolated one, so it's quite common, and a good amount of people have had the same problem. And but one common thing, however, is that though this problem is common, I found out that only 1 or 2 people really went to the point of going to the dealership to have it fixed. Majority of the other people didn't get to that point, and they reported that the issue was resolved in 24 hours. So within a day or so, the connection came back and the car went back online. So the point is to say, like, based on the reviews from the forums, or based on the feedbacks from the forums, everyone, or sorry, not everyone, most people did get their connection back within 24 to 48 hours. Now, one person pointed out, and something about pulling off a fuse. I think it was fuse 19 or so. Now, it didn't seem to work from the response I saw or that I read from the forum. So yeah, now back to my one. So mine is gone over 3 days now or so, and I was hoping mine was gonna come back on as well, but no, it didn't. But the good news is I was just cleaning up the car today and fixing some few things here and there, mounting my roof box. And after many times of coming in and out of the car over the past 3 days and no luck, it just happened to come on today. So the point is, just like it is with many other people, I can also say that if you've got this problem, just give it a few days, it would probably come back on. Now, if it doesn't come back on in a week, then maybe you should give your dealership a call. But if you can't wait for a week, then maybe at least 24 to 48 hours before getting through to your dealership. But from what I've seen and I've experienced myself, I believe it should come back itself. I mean, it's not a signal problem. It's not the phone signal or the car signal or the area at all, because some people did mention this as a problem or as a reason for this or as a cause for it, but it doesn't seem like it, because I obviously drove around during this time, and I went to lots of different places and my phone signals were fine anyways. So yeah, just give it a few days and it should probably come back. And now I can connect my app to the car again, and the phone app and the car is now synced together, so the information coming on the app is exactly what I've got in the car, so everything works as usual. Now, if I turn my online mode off, you notice that the globe circle turns gray, and then if I turn it back on, it goes back to white, and it just shows that yeah, the car is back online and everything works as usual again. So yeah, that's it guys. So now I can use the VW ID3 app again, pre-cool or preheat the car, check my charging status or initiate the charge and all of that. So thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment below if there's anything you want to know about the ID3. I can check that for you. Obviously I spend a lot of time in the car on a daily basis, so yeah, that's it. So don't forget, please click the subscribe button if you haven't, and for those who have, thank you very much. Thank you, really do appreciate your support.